Hey, it's Krista with WTI, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite productivity partners. It is the ASUS Vivobook 17 laptop. Now, when I went on the market for a new laptop, there were a few things that were important to me. Number one, that I can easily interface with all of the other devices I was already using, and I had plenty of ports to plug them in. And this laptop gives you ports galore. There are 3 traditional USB, 1 Type-C port, an audio jack, a HDMI port, there is an SD card reader, and you can connect by Bluetooth. I'll tell you that whether I am shopping online, I'm on a conference call, I'm trying to read a presentation that's being projected, or I'm just streaming a movie or using it for other personal needs, this screen is crystal clear. And there are definitely some features on this laptop that make it an upgrade from my last purchase. It has a fingerprint reader, so if I'm on the go, I can just quickly scan my finger to gain access, no need to remember or type in complicated passwords. I can project my computer screen onto the television or onto other wireless devices, which comes in really handy when I'm looking at photos and I want to see them with the whole crowd in the room. And then lastly, the backlit keyboard. This has been so useful in times where I need to log on really early or I work into the evening. I don't need to leave the lights on and disturb anyone else as I work. So if you're on the market for a new laptop that has stunning visuals, that has complete connectivity, and that has some of the latest features of technology, the ASUS Vivobook 17 is just the laptop for you. And that's my point of view.